Hey y'all, Blanche here. How's it going today? Well, today I've got another tag. I recently saw the beauty guru tag going around on YouTube here, and I thought, hey, I'm a beauty guru too, so I want to do it. So, no one actually tagged me, but I'm going to do it anyway. Okay, the questions are down below in case you want to answer it yourself. The first question, how do you feel about getting bigger on YouTube? Wow. I'm really thankful because it's just amazing to me that so many people would want to watch my videos and hear what I have to say. So, yeah, I'm really grateful, I should say. I'm very grateful that I'm getting bigger on YouTube. Did you think you would get so many viewers? Heck no. When I first started doing videos, I didn't even know what I wanted to do, and I just knew that I wanted to explore my drag on YouTube in front of a camera. So when I started getting subscribers and decided that what I really wanted to do was make up videos and explore that, then I did, and it's amazing that people actually find it interesting. Number 3, do you answer all of your comments? No. I answer about 1/3 of my comments, but a lot of the questions that I get are so repetitive that it's hard for me to have time to answer the same question about where I get my wigs 4 times a day, on top of all of the other questions I get. Here is my FAQ that I recently made. You can check it out. There's also a link down in the underbar to it. So if you do have any questions and any comments, check on the FAQ, see if I've already answered it, and then send me a question if it's not there. Number 4, hate. I guess they're asking, how do I feel about the hate that I get on YouTube? It doesn't bother me. It really doesn't. It makes me sad for the people who have nothing better to do with their lives than sit in front of a computer and hate on a total stranger. What I do does not impact your life in any way. If you don't like my videos, move along. I'm sure there are videos out there somewhere that you do and will like. How much time do you invest in YouTube? A lot. Between the time that I'm making videos, putting on makeup to record videos, recording videos, editing videos, replying to comments, reading comments, uploading, posting, tagging. Yeah, it's a lot of time. It's practically a full-time job, and I don't even devote as much time to it as some people do. Yeah. So, I do devote a lot of time to it, but really, I love it. Every minute of it. I wouldn't have it any other way, and I'd like to be devoting even more time to it. Number 6, do your parents know about your channel? Well, my father's passed away. My mother lives 250 miles from here and doesn't have a computer. No. My mother doesn't even know I do drag, let alone that I have a YouTube channel. I don't even think she knows what YouTube is. How do you become more successful on YouTube? Oh my god, that is a loaded question, and that's an entire video in and of itself. I'm trying to think of just some quick tips. Be original. Make good videos. Make videos that are interesting to watch. Make well-made videos. I'm not saying that you have to have a lot of expensive software, but you're a movie maker now when you're making videos. Make it something that someone is going to want to sit through for however many minutes that you're going to be having their attention. And do something different. Do something. A lot of people are making tutorials. Do something different than what everybody else is doing, and have a personality. That is the best way to become more successful, is to have a personality that people are going to want to come back and watch more of. Number 8, what do you love about YouTube? Oh my God. What I love most about YouTube is the people. The people I've met, the friends I've made, the comments I get, just the community. It is the best community on the internet. I've met so many wonderful people, and people that have impacted my life on a daily basis. And I don't know what I would do without YouTube. It's just been the most wonderful last 2.5 years or so of my life. And I hope that I'm around for a lot longer. Oh my God, I'm getting choked up over a silly tag. Oh my God. Anyway, I'm going to let you guys go. Yeah, this is one of my shorter videos. I'll talk to y'all later. Forgot to tag people. I'm going to tag everybody watching this. If you're a beauty guru, if you make YouTube videos, post a video response. I'd love to hear the answers to your questions. Talk to y'all later, guys. I love you all. Bye.